Okay, go on out, Birdie. How you gonna get him out?
He's sitting.
He's sitting on the chandelier. Dude, we put some bird seed on the front porch. Okay, close the door and open it again so suddenly he sees the light coming. Hey, Mark. Don't you dare come out with a gun. Mark. Oh. Mark, no, wait. I got an idea first before you hurt him.
I'm not gonna hurt him.
I know, but he's going to fly this way. Open the door and then shut it so he see. I mean, shut the door and then open it again so he sees the light. Please do it my way first. Mark, he only sees that. Oh, God. Mark, listen. Close the front door so it's dark and then open it so he suddenly sees light. He's only being focused on that window up there. Wait, where'd he go?
He's on the chain.
Okay. Now open the door and see if he suddenly sees the light. We'll try again. Maybe he wasn't paying attention. Don't hit. Oh my gosh. Ooh.
Now we're getting somewhere. Oh, dear God, he's laying on my shoe.
Well, he's on your shoe on your foot?
He's on my shoe.
On your foot?
Wow. I could have grabbed him. He was on my shoe.
Oh my gosh,
Where'd he
this
go?
is so gross.
Where'd he go?
He's over there by the,
Oh, I see.
I don't even have my contacts in. I can't see. I hate birds in the house. Ollie, bird. Go get bird.
Come on, Oliver.
Bird. Ollie, go get bird. No, not that way. Ollie, you're going to go outside. Go get bird. Go see Daddy. Go get bird. Bird. Where's your senses? Go get bird. You totally cannot go out of town until this bird is out. You got
Got
it?
his little butt.
Wait, let me see. Hold him up close. Don't let him bite him.
Bird.
Wait, let me see. Let me see it up close.
Well, I've got.
Well, can you just hold it in the camera just so I can see?
Okay, well, let's do it outside. I mean, I'm not killing him.
Well.
Whoa.
Jeez. Wait, you got Bo outside. You just let Bo get out.
Bo?
I mean, Oliver.
Where?
He just ran out like a madman in the front yard.
Oliver, get inside. Oh,
Oliver.
We got him. We got him. No, he's looking at the bird. Come on, Oliver. We got him, buddy. Oh.
You got him, Oliver. You did it. Come on, Ollie. Good boy. Come on, you did it. You did it. You're really hiding in the house.
Oliver,
Come
Oliver,
on, Ollie.
Come on, in the house. House,
Come on. Good boy. You and Daddy did it.
That was one of our easier